Yeah,
Absolutely. Jesus loves you.
I know it.
It's awesome, man. It's awesome.
You want to give a testimony?
Where?
Right here.
Yeah.
I got a camera right here.
Okay. Yeah.
What's Jesus done for you? How do you know He loves you?
Oh, man, I can just feel His love. You know, a year ago, it was June 27th of last year.
Okay.
I was putting things of this world above Him.
Yes, sir.
And He allowed something to happen in my life where I got injured doing what I loved. It was whitewater kayaking, is what I loved. And I got injured, and it was kind of like that was my rock bottom at the time. I was womanizing,
Yes, sir.
drinking, smoking, doing drugs, all this stuff. And it was kind of at that point, I said, God, it was like I just gave everything to Him.
Yeah.
And so 4 months later after that, I went to church that very next weekend, and it's just been a roller coaster ride, a good roller coaster ride since then. 4 months after that, I began preaching, and I've just been preaching and spreading the gospel of love of Jesus
Praise
Christ
God.
everywhere. So yeah, He's awesome, man.
Man,
He's so good.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Awesome, man.
That's a